Hi, Rich, Diabetic Bushcrafting, back again. Another one of these that are Jeff's gifts for us from his grandfather's drugstore. And I'll be researching this too, because man, I'm sure it's old. This is a Boy Scouts of America first aid kit. It has loops on the things on the back where it could go through a belt. I'll get some close-ups of it. Let me get you down here where you can see what I get to see. What cool little thing here on the... Figure out how this thing works. Flips up. I'm going to rotate it for a second. I'll get a view of this for you. So, contents, Boy Scouts, first aid kit. This is leather with a drawstring. This has a leather pouch of some sort in it. So some substitutions have been made over time. Find out what this is, because I don't know. But now, goes back in this kit. I guess that belongs, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, it says contents for Boy Scouts first aid kit. 1 gauze bandage 1 inch by 6 yards. 1 gauze bandage 2 inches by 6 yards. 2 Sterapads 3 inches by 3 inches. 1 pitric acid gauze pad 3 inches by 3 inches. 1 adhesive type tape 1 inch by 2.5 yards. 1 applicator bottle mercurochrome 1/8 of an ounce. Man, as old as this must be, but that's dried out. First aid book. I won't guess it's more of a pamphlet booklet, but who knows. Time. Band-Aid 3/4 inch. And 1 bottle Halazone tablets. I've heard of Halazone tablets. Give me a second here. Oh, okay. As I recall, Halazone tablets were used for water purification. They didn't use them much because they had a really crappy shelf life. Once you opened them, it was on like days or hours that they were good. Just in storage, they'd be dead in like 2 or 3 years. So, this we can see it. First off, let's see what we got here. Okay. Sterapads, 2 of those, just like it said. Citric acid gauze pad for burns, 3 inch by 3 inch. 24 FL3. Directions: apply to burn surface and moisten with clear water. Keep moist during the entire time of application, if possible. I know they had instructions on that, because I have no idea. Okay, Red Cross 1 inch bandage, 10 yards. sterilized after packaging. Sterilized, neat edge, Johnson & Johnson. Red Cross bandage, sterile. Press in to open. 2 inches. Oh, look at this. This would be, oh, Halazone. I thought this would be the Curachrome. Halazone's like tablets or little granules. I've never used it before. Okay, we got whatever that is, it fills the nest. Couple of Band-Aids. Actual Band-Aid brand Band-Aids. I'm going to get some footage of this to include up close, you know. And there's the Mercure, well, it used to be Mercurochrome. And there's the little thing that's stuck down from the cap that you pick up and dab it with. This one appears to be broken off. Okay. This is leather. Yeah, it's a leather pouch. I guess you can put all your stuff in. Wow, that's cool. I don't remember reading anything about a pouch. Let's read this again. Gauze bandage. 1 inch, gauze bandage, 2 inches. Gauze bandage, 1 inch, 2 inch. Steripads, citric acid, adhesive. Okay. It must be this is in place of the adhesive. Alright, anyway. There's that corrosion in that other first aid kit, because I think they want some leaks. So let me get a couple of little video shots for you. So, once again, Rich here wanting to thank Jeff for sharing all this cool stuff with us. I've never seen this Boy Scout first aid kit. I've never seen one of those first aid kits. I'm sure it was a military thing from like World War II or Korea. So that's pretty awesome. Now you just have to figure out how this thing goes back together. Like I said, I'll be looking at pictures of that. Anyway, Rich here, telling you get up, get out, get yourself some dirt time, and I look forward to seeing you in the woods. Bye guys.